Michael, repeat after me. Marley, please repeat after me. Marley, I give you this ring. Wear it with love. Michael, I give you this. Wear it with love. Just keep it as a reminder. Just keep it as a reminder that I choose you to be my wife. That I choose you to be my husband.
I know. Coming together.
Happy day.
You.
I'm excited for you.
You gotta go.
We all like sit around Marley in a circle and like sing Kumbaya. We are the world. I knew it. I've known her the longest, so I know her the best. Well, yeah. Okay, Betty, we get it. Stop grabbing. Betty! None of us are in a Costco casket, as my dad said. He was like, you don't, what is it? Costco. It's like my
This is mine, and then I'm assuming this is whose is this one? This is Nick's. Does he mean cufflinks worth? Need help?
One, two, three. Oh my God, yes.
Good afternoon. Please be seated. The Blaylock and the Enyart families wish to thank you for coming to celebrate with them today. Throughout human history, across multiple cultures and virtually all religions, weddings are community gatherings to celebrate the joining together of two lives and two families as one. This ceremony today serves as a public affirmation of Marley and Michael's wish to combine their minds, hearts, and souls to live as one. We are their community, and our responsibility today is to witness this covenant agreement and to offer our support to them as they begin this new journey. This road will go uphill and downhill at times. Sometimes the path will be smooth, and sometimes it can be quite bumpy. Successfully traveling this path will require that Michael and Marley offer love, intimacy, openness, tenderness, respect, appreciation, and sometimes self-sacrifice to one another. You may notice that today is the 20th. Marley and Michael began dating on May 20th of 2019, and every month on the 20th since that day, Michael would get down on one knee and ask Marley to be with him for one more month. Then on a beautiful, crisp winter day in January, the 20th, in front of their favorite bar, near where they first lived together, Michael got down on his knee one last time and asked Marley to be with him forever. Of all the things that we acquire on this earth, most of them will go away, but in the end, love goes on forever. And the power vested in me in the state of Oregon and the internet, I now pronounce you husband and wife. May you be blessed as you begin your new life together. Mr. and Mrs. Minyard.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I could get your attention for the second official time, I'd love to introduce for the reception period of the day, Mr. and Mrs. Enyard. Make some noise.
Love you guys. What do I want to say to him? Yeah. Hold on. Not ready for that. Hey, how are you?
Congratulations. Been a long time coming. You both look fucking stunning.
Made my comments for Mikey and Marley for my best man toast, but it's turning. The wheels are turning up there. Oh yeah.
I'm going to keep this short because I don't think I can go on very long without losing it. Marley, we've been through hard times. Sometimes you were more parent than me. We got each other through a lot of shit. I'm just gonna go there. And all I ever wanted for you was somebody that could take as good of care of you as I did. A little something to read from Marley's dad, who can't be here. October 27th, 1995. An angel was born, my angel. And you have never stopped being that fun, innocent angel. Enjoy this day and all that are to come. I love you, Marley. Thank you for being my daughter.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Winner goes first. I don't want to be last today. First, a little bit as Michael, as a friend. I've known him for the better part of 15 years, since I could unironically call him Little Mikey J. I still call him that, but now I kind of got to look up when I say it.
Good job.
First time I heard about Marley, we hadn't seen each other for about 2 months, and we're driving, and he goes, "So Curb, I went on these 2 dates with this girl." And I was like, okay, cool. And he followed that up immediately with, "And I'm gonna marry her someday." And my first thought was shock. I had never even really seen him like a girl that much, let alone be head over heels. And the second was, that's gonna make a great story for my best man speech. So, I love you. I'm proud of you. I'm so happy for you. Marley, first of all, you look absolutely beautiful tonight. Secondly, I obviously didn't know you before your relationship with Michael, but I can promise you that you make him the best version of himself, and I hope he always does the same for you. Cheers to Michael and Marley.
That's gonna be tough to follow. Yeah. So we have a bet between the groomsmen if I cry or not. So if I stop talking for a second, I'm trying to win some money tonight. Okay, relax. Remember Michael coming home one day? We lived at an establishment, and he comes home and he's super serious about this girl, and I'm like, all right, man, like awesome. We go and play golf one day. We stop by this Dutch Bros. Marley happened to be there. I saw Marley. I was like, man, don't screw that one up. Like you can't. Colorado to California to when you lived in Milwaukee, all that stuff. It's just been super special to be a part of. And thank you guys. Cheers.
No,
cheers. Thank you guys. Enjoy your time.
Make some noise for the newlyweds. So while we got him on the dance floor, I think it's time to bring up Mama Kay to dance with the baby boy. Make some noise for Mama. Send her the baby boy off for happily ever after. So if I could get the bride and her mama up here, it's your guys' turn to show out a little bit. This isn't the most traditional route of a bride-mother dance. All right, so Really quick, while I have all your attention, you ladies right here. Oh, there it is. Make some noise. Make some noise for the family and friends that you've made today. Make some noise for all of the vendors and people that put their hands into making this event possible. And most importantly, make some noise for the bride and groom for bringing us all together. From here on out is no holds bars. We're opening the floodgates. We're going to dance, we're going to drink, we're going to sing and cry, sing along and everything else. Thank you guys for such an amazing ceremony and reception. Here we go.